Now, if you're anything like me, you're an options trader and you want to put on a specific amount of risk every single week, and you want to make a very specific return over the course of the year. And what I want to do with my trades is track them weekly. So I built a really cool weekly performance tracking tab in my rolling options record keeper. And today I'm going to show you how I use it. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Levi Woods. This is Drawbridge Finance. Remember, this is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. This is just my personal opinion, what I'm doing. Today I'm showing off the tab in my rolling options record keeper, which is the .0 performance weekly tab. The reason it has a .0 in there is just for the sorting capabilities. All the .0 tabs don't actually change names or anything based on the app script that is in this particular file. But this tab is super cool because what it does is it allows me to track the performance over the course of every single week. That information is automatically generated from the Opens Options A to Z file. So you can see that down in the bottom. What I'm looking at right now are the first 5 weeks of the year. And what I want to do is I want to take the information that is being shown in this part of the screen, and I want to copy and paste it down into the Performance Weekly tab. I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing I need to do is this sheet can actually be controlled in whatever currency I want. So if I want to report in Canadian dollars, I can. And you'll notice that right now, because I have cell J2 set to Canadian dollars, it actually shows my realized profit in Canadian dollars. So you can see for the month, I made $10,000 Canadian. Now, very simple for me to update this. And the first step that I need to do is make sure that I'm displaying in US dollars, because that is how my weekly performance sheet is set up. You'll see the numbers automatically update. It's all the same trade information. You can see we had on the month 92% win rate and realized profit US of $7,629. Average trade return was 195. This is one thing that I'm really trying to focus on this year. If we look at the 2023 returns, obviously I did really well. I beat my goal. I wanted to make 20%. I made 22%. I tried to put on 10 trades a week. Last year I did 13.4 trades per week on average. This is one of the numbers that I'm looking at right now though. My average profit per trade was only $74 last year, and I really want to increase that. I'm striving to make this number above $100 this year so I can take less trades and make more money per trade. But exactly on target last year, 80.1% win rate, which is exactly what I'm expecting. Now let's take a look at the performance so far. If we look at this performance weekly, it is not linked. And the reason for that is because the trades don't stay in this sheet. The sheet is designed to kind of be rolled monthly. The A to Z options only ever show 5 weeks of data. And what I need to do is I need to manually copy and paste this data from here before the sheets get removed on the monthly rollover. It's simple enough to do that. I mean, I could just type in the information if I wanted to. If I could use the performance weekly tracker to track whatever I wanted. I could say I put in 10 trades this week and I closed 5 of them for profit and I closed 2 of them for a loss, and the margin that I recorded was that $12,000, and the realized profit on that was $1,000. I could easily just enter that entering in the white cells, but there's a simpler way to do that. I'm going to just clear this off. I'm going to delete that information. I've designed it so that all you have to do is just grab the values. And again, making sure we're in US dollars over here, but just select these cells that you want to copy and just copy. So I'm using my keyboard, Command C on a Mac, but you can just right click and say copy. We just look down here at the Performance Weekly tab. We zip over there. We make sure that we're in the correct weeks. So we're pasting this data into the correct weeks. And again, right click, and we're going to go paste special values only, or on a Mac, you can use that Command Shift V. So click that. And what it will do is it will just fill in that data and we'll update the sheet. So now we can see that so far, this was the January sheet. So far, we have a pretty good win rate for the year. When I'm starting the new month and I'm looking at February, so now I'm looking at the week February 4th to February 10th. It's a very busy week. I opened 25 new trades. I closed 10 for a profit, 100% win rate. This is the third week in a row. Now, it doesn't mean that I don't have any losing trades. I'm just managing them right now. I roll some of these trades. They don't get taken off for winners all the time. I'm not saying that there's none. I find the date that corresponds to it and I use Command Shift V or paste special values only. And this is that metric that I'm really trying hard to track this year to increase the amount of money that I'm making on a per trade basis. That's $199 per trade on average. So far, with my trades and hedges, I've actually put in an average of 18.2 trades per week for the last 5 weeks. So it's been an extremely busy time. Now, if you're interested in getting the alerts on all of these trades, if you head over to patreon.com/Drawbridge Finance, you can find my different tiers that I offer. I have 2 different pricing structures. I've got the dividend covered call tier. So it has this very cool ETF trading strategy that is a monthly email that comes out, and it has a range and probabilities of what the expected outcome is based on the current price and current delta. It's for reducing risk in portfolios and for making it very, very simple trading, 1 day a month of option trading where we can target whatever we want. The trades I was covering today in the weekly options performance tab were actually part of my options tier patronage. So if you're interested in that, you can see all of my trade alerts. You can join the Discord for either tier. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get rich together. Take care.